Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort a filter in descending order. Alright, I'm using sample superstore data. So right now you can see if I go on default sort order, I set it on descending, and when I drag order date to the rows, I still on ascending 2011 to 2014. So I have to come here again and do sort and then descending one more time, then it changes, right? But here's the issue. Let me just make it. Here's the issue. When I do show filter, the filter is still on ascending 2011 to 2014. I want it from 2014 all the way to 2011. So how do you do that? All right, there are a couple steps that you need to do. You can just open a new sheet like this one. I'll just drag order date, right click it and drop it on filters. Then select yes and next. On a select all, apply. Perfect. Then on the drop down, I want to create a set. So I will go down, create a set. Then I will use all. Then okay. So I will take this and do default properties sort. Then I'll do descending order. Then I'll take this one, push it on the filters, and I'll do show filter. Then it will be descending. So I will just do one more time, drag it right here. Actually, I need just year here. Where's year? So I'll still use my perfect. Then I will use my view. Then now I can use this one to filter descending and ascending. I hope this helps. Thank you and bye bye.